Hi, welcome to ALM training video. This is Jairam. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the important topic, how to split a user story. So let's get started. First, you log into the system. I already logged in. The splitting of a user story is a feature when actually the situation when you have that you completed your sprint and some of the items has not been completed, right? So let's say one we were having a multiple user story. One of the user story having the 15 tasks, and out of the 15 tasks, 7 tasks has been completed during this sprint, but rest of the 8 tasks we are not able to complete it out. So we need to split that, right? Because without splitting the user story, you cannot move the task and on our next sprint. So here I am on team backlog, and if you see, if you are wondering how this looks like the screen, then very simple. In another video, I already talk about, because I'm in a view of this board view. Board view will give you the status wise details, and we have selected the background, board background. So board background I selected yellow. So that's what if this view is appearing over here. So these are the user stories. Basically, I want to split. So this is an in progress user story because we could not able to finish it up. So I'm going to split it. Now, the moment you click on this user story, you will be here in a detail section having one of those feature like a split user story. Now, before splitting the user story, you might go and have a look on the task pending for that. So if you go and click on a task, these many tasks are there on that user story, this user story which we wanted to split it. So if you see clearly, these many tasks are in a new state. This is in the in progress state. This has completed. So completed is basically nothing but we need to move on these two, right? These two means total of the in progress and total of the new task. This has to move on a next sprint. Well, so go back on this detailed tab, click on the split user story. Cleanse user story, so this is two section, current user story, so this is the user story, and then phase in progress. Which one you wanted to split, like whether it's a phase in progress or new. In progress is important because you already invested some of the hours and some of the hours are remaining. So that's what the phase we selected in progress. Although completed you cannot do because completed you already monitored. So you will be seeing there is two options available, in testing or new. So in progress, in testing and new. Three types of user story you can split off. Currently I am selecting in progress. All the in progress user story I am going to split it. And new user story name, new user story is a continuation of the same, and target sprint. Target sprint is always one sprint above the sprint. So this is planned for the sprint 4, and this is going to be a sprint 5. And user story point. So remaining task has been, let's say, a 40 user story point. Now it's saying 14 open tasks and 25 remaining hours. So in this user story, we have a 14 open tasks. So all 14 I wanted to split and move on next sprint. The moment you click this sprint, what it will do, it will pick all this task in this newly created user story. So if you go on this one, you will be finding that 14 tasks to be listed, which is in progress. These are the new are the new. The completed, there is nothing completed, right? So these are the tasks we moved on this next splitted this new user story. So that way you can split. This is the task which actually you perform in a very last day of the sprint when you able to finish some of the tasks and some of the tasks has not been finished. So thanks for watching.